Good morning, Year 3. Mrs. Claus here. With only 12 sleeps until Christmas morning, Santa needs some help. There are so many children all over the world, and Santa and his elves just can't keep up. So he has asked me to come here today to get you all to make a class list of what you want for Christmas, and then we are going to use our computers to learn how to use a graph in Microsoft Word to record our data. This graph will represent your class's Christmas present statistics. Santa has asked me to get all the boys and girls around the world to gather this information to help him and his elves get ready for Christmas Day quicker, as he wants to keep up with the latest technology. This activity will help us in Year 3 to develop our skills in recording information and representing this information by plotting it on a graph using digital technology. Let's have a look at how we do this. Let's just pause for a few minutes while we make our list. Once we have collected all our data and recorded it, we can then transfer this information to make our graph. Go to your startup icon down the bottom and click to open up all your programs. Select Microsoft Word and double click. You will select a new or blank document to start your activity. At the top of your icon bar, you can locate the option to insert a chart. Click on this icon to open it up. You will now select the chart icon. Up will pop a selection of graphs that we can use to record our data. We are going to select a clustered column graph. Here you can see an example of what a column graph looks like using Year 1 class pets. Now let's use our data to enter it into the table to create our graph. First, select Edit Data. In each column you will enter a different toy and the quantity next to it. Do this for each different toy. Once you have done this, it will make a graph for you. You can change the layout of the graph by selecting Chart Tools and Chart Layouts to your preference. We can now enter our title for our graph, which we will call 3RL Christmas Gift List. Now it's time to save your work, which is a very important step. This ensures your hard work is kept safe to go back to later, and it can also be emailed to Santa. Our graph is now complete and our job is done helping Santa. Well done! Now before I go Year 3, I just want to remind you all about safe use of your computers at all times. Remember to always protect your passwords by keeping them to yourself, and report anything that worries you back to your teacher.
Created using Powtoon.